Hey guys, Alex with Bay Cities Construction. Hey, I want to talk to you today about signs of damage on your balcony. And these are some of the things that I look for when I do a site inspection on your place. So let's walk you through some of the 3 signs that we found on this building. This is not my project. This is just, I'm walking the strand here in Redondo Beach and I'm looking at buildings just to show you and educate you on what the signs of damage are. What we have here is flashing that is corroded. Along this top balcony, the entire length, there's signs of corroded flashing. That means that water is leaking in, guys. The salt elements have corroded the flashing and the flashing is now compromised, allowing water to come in. If this condition continues, then you get this type of damage, which is on the adjacent building, Spalling Stucco. So basically these bumps that you have here is the stucco separating from the wood framing, and that's caused by water intrusion decomposing the wood member behind it. That's a bad sign, guys. When you see this type of damage, you have to open up the stucco and assess how much structural damage has occurred. The third kind that is present in these balconies is this discoloration here. And what you have here is fungus growing through the stucco. This is probably the worst of all of them, because in order for fungus to grow through the stucco, it has to be actively decomposing the structural framing. So those are all bad signs. Whenever you see this, you have to open it up and assess how much structural damage is present. Any of these signs should trigger a good close inspection by a competent structural engineer or by a contractor that has experience rebuilding and reframing and repairing these types of balconies. My name is Alex with Bay Cities Construction. If you want me to do a site inspection on your next property, go to baycitiesconstruction.com and book an appointment with me.